Model, 2016 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI 3.5T long wheelbase, Luton box van chassis cab needs engine replacement. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 207497. MOT, the 4th of January 2025. Engine, 2143 cc ohm 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, cruise control. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.